Good morning, YouTube. All right, today we are making a cheesy loaded potato casserole. It goes together in no time, but the flavor is amazing. You're gonna like this one. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, we are starting our potato casserole by grating our potatoes. And I have right at 4 pounds, just big old Irish potatoes. Russet potatoes. We went shopping yesterday, and Boone and I both grabbed a bag of potatoes. And of course, we were at the warehouse club. I didn't notice that he was doing it. He didn't notice I was doing it. And then for good measure, he went back and got another one. So we have 45-pound potatoes. It's a good thing we like them. All right, so all we're doing at this point is running them through the grater, and then we're gonna throw them in this pot. I didn't have the recording button hit. All right, so here are our potatoes, covered with about 1.5 inches of water and about 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt. We're throwing this on the stovetop, and I'm cranking up the heat. We're gonna bring that up to a boil, and we're gonna let it go for 7 or 8 minutes. And while we're waiting on that, this is what I think is the easiest way to deal with if you want crumbly bacon. A lot of folks will cook the bacon and then crumble it. I think it's easier to cut it ahead of time. So I just take my package so the bacon goes on the cutting board. About half of the package, I guess. And we're gonna cut it into pieces. And this we can throw on the stovetop, bring it on to medium heat, and crisp that up. All right, we're gonna put our casserole together. So in here, this is like a crock pot, but it's a casserole, so you can do this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna throw it in here and stick the lid on it and walk away and forget about it. But you can, either one. But over here, I've got 2 cups of sour cream. Ouch, that's hot. And here are our potatoes. And we're gonna stir all this together. But we're gonna add about 2.5 to 3 cups of cheddar. All right. And we are also going to add some cracked black pepper. I'm gonna hold off on the salt for now. We salted those potatoes pretty heavily as they were cooking. All right. So this just gets stirred together real well. Now I'm gonna throw the lid on this, and this is gonna go on high for about 4 hours, or like I said, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Either one, they both turn out great. Your potatoes have almost fully cooked. What you're looking at now is to bring the flavors together. Let the cheese get nice and melty. The sour cream kind of does its thing. And my neighbor's honking the horn. All right, so here's what we look like now. See? And we're just going to stir that until it's nice and homogeneous, pretty consistent. I might have to sneak a taste. And we're going to let it go until it's nice and bubbly. Ooh, goodness. All right, so we've had a while with our potatoes, and they're not quite ready. But that's what we look like right now. Nicely bubbling all around the edges. So we're going to add bacon. This, okay, it started out as half a package of bacon, but I didn't put it away fast enough. So I think it's now about 1/4 of a package. However much you like. I don't know too many people that have ever said I want less bacon. We also have about 3 green onions that I minced up, but we're gonna wait. So putting the lid back on this, I'm gonna let it go for probably another hour. I have to take Blaine to work and Kenzie to the movies. All right. Cheesy loaded potatoes. Yeah, I think so. So here's what we are. Okay. And this has just been bubbling away for, I don't know, what, about 4 hours. So we loaded up our bacon, even though some people have been helping themselves to the bacon, so we didn't have as much as I wanted. But
not me.
Levi claims innocence. I blame Ricky.
It was definitely him.
Alright, there we go. Check out this. Tell me that's not beautiful. It is. It's not focused. Man, that looks good. Alright, how'd we do? I'm actually pretending like I haven't been sneaking bites of that all afternoon. Because I have, and it's delicious. It tastes like a loaded baked potato. Or a potato skin. Mmm. Ah, hot. But it tastes great. You need some of that. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.